In this short notebook, I demonstrate the ideas behind the Xenakis piece, Concrete PH, that I discussed in the lecture. Here we make use of a large library of sounds that is included as in the distribution of this notebook, and another Python library that is called PYO that is designed as a digital signal processing library and sound and audio library that allows us to play sounds. So this is a very short demonstration. I don't go into any of the detail here. PYO is included, should be included in the installation when you create your environment for the course. So this one was with kind of dry sounds. This next one is a version that is more elaborated and reflects more the character of the original Xenakis piece.